Alright, in this video, I'm going to be installing this LED smart light that does color changing. It's by Hampton Bay, and you can see the model on the packaging, and it does a few different colors. It doesn't do like a mix of colors, it's sort of one color at a time kind of deal. It comes with a QR code. You need the QR codes to scan so that you can use this thing either by Bluetooth or through your home internet. And really straightforward for wiring. There's a grounding wire on it, then there's a black wire and a white wire coming out of this thing. For my house, black is hot and white goes back to neutral. So pretty simple to wire this thing in. And there's just a little plastic disc that is protecting all the LEDs, and you need to take that off in order to screw the light into your device box. And there is a QR code inside the light as well. Now I do need to take this old light down, and this old LED light is super heavy. I was a little bit surprised. This thing is about 10 pounds, whereas the new one is about a half a pound, if that. And this one actually has a steel wire and carabiner that holds it up into the junction box. And obviously I've turned off the breaker so that this thing doesn't have power, but I will check it before I remove wires. And for this one, I'm just disassembling it, remove the ground wire, remove the neutral, and then remove the hot wire from the light. And then it comes with this mounting plate as well. So I need to get that mounting plate out of there as well. And it's just screwed into the device box with the device box screws. So very easy in my case to remove this light. And obviously these LED lights are sort of single use. You can't replace the bulbs once they burn out. And I'm just going to put the two screws partially back into the device box or junction box before I put the light in place. Hooking this thing up is very easy. So the grounding wire is attached inside the device box, and I'm just going to use the wire nuts, also known as morettes, that came in the box. So there are 3 wire nuts that come with this light. So you don't need to have your own on hand, and you don't necessarily need to save the old ones, but if you want to use the old ones, I'm sure that would work for you as well. The second wire I'm hooking up is the neutral. So again, where I live, the white wire is generally the neutral wire, unless someone wired things up incorrectly. And the final wire I'm going to connect is obviously the hot wire, which is the black ones. And again, I'm just using the wire nuts that came in the packaging. And as mentioned, there are 2 screws sticking out of the device box, and those match up to the holes that are in the back of the light. So you do need that cover off the light, like I said, and then so you just take your screwdriver and screw the light into the device box. Once the cover's back on, obviously go to the basement, turn on the breaker, and then hit the switch for the light, and it works perfectly. And there's the QR code. You do need to use the QR code so that you can adjust the colors and stuff. You do need to download the app. So there is a bit of a process once you scan the QR code, but basically if you don't have the app on your cell phone, you're just going to have a light that does none of the things that are advertised on the box. And the colors look pretty terrible in this video, I will admit. I'm not really sure why cameras don't capture LED lights very well, but I find that to be the case. Anyway, super easy to install, looks better than it does in the video, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.